The Profilo LED 200 series is a full range of high-power LED-based profile spot fixtures. Is available in 3 versions, featuring tuned white LEDs, white LEDs with linearly tunable color temperature, or full-color RGBW LEDs. The Profilo LED 200 is the high-tech, versatile alternative to conventional profiles. Its smart technical solutions and modular design make it extremely user-friendly. Connectors and control interface are functionally grouped on the rear panel. A specific space guarantees efficient heat dissipation. The Profilo LED 200's framing system features 4 asymmetric blades. Each blade can be inverted to create additional geometric shapes. A dedicated knob enables the entire framing system to be rotated by plus or minus 35 degrees. The blades operate on 3 discrete planes, a setup that allows to generate any 3 or 4-sided regular or irregular polygon. Furthermore, a 5th blade can be added to create any 5-sided polygon. An iris or gobo holder can be easily fitted. No tools are required. The focus and zoom knobs are located on the sides of the fixture to facilitate manual adjustment. By opening a flap on the top of the fixture, the zoom and focus lenses can be easily accessed for cleaning. The flap holds a soft frost filter that can be fitted into a dedicated holder in front of the optical group for evenly diffused beam projection. An exclusive sliding system allows greater fixture tilt, even though the yoke is very compact. The Profilo LED 200 can be equipped with a range of optional accessories that further enhance its performance.